The biggest story in the UK right now is the Creator Fast Track programme that Meta launched on March the 18th. If you have a following on TikTok or YouTube, Facebook is offering a guaranteed 3 months salary to get you to post 15 reels a month here. In England, if you have 100,000 followers elsewhere, you can get £800 a month. If you have over 1 million followers, it's 2,500 every single month guaranteed. But here's the catch. This is specifically for Lats creators who haven't posted a reel on Facebook in the last 6 months. They want fresh blood on the platform. Now, if you're already an active creator like me, don't worry. This rollout means the regular payout pool is about to get much bigger to keep us from leaving. So check your monetization tab and look for express interest button. Don't let the new guys take all the funding. My name's lathonmb, and don't forget to share this video and tag a UK creator who needs to hear this. Stop celebrating your viral hits until you check the new qualified views metric in your professional dashboard. As of this month, Meta is filtering out what they call passive views. If someone scrolls past your video in under 3 seconds, you get exactly 0 in payout. They've also added an earning rate, which shows your exact RPM for every 1,000 people who actually sat and watched your content. If your views are high but your pay is low, it's because your qualified view count is dragging. So, the goal for April 2026 is engagement depth. You need people to comment and share, not just watch for a second and scroll. Check your professional dashboard, find your non-qualifying breakdown, and see exactly where you're losing money. Meta just updated their originality enforcement for April 2026, and in it is the most aggressive crackdown we've ever seen. Their AI doesn't just look for watermarks anymore, it scans for low value creativity. If you've just re-uploaded a clip with a basic filter or captions, you will be demonetized. If your page gets flagged for unoriginal content even once this month, your reach will be throttled by 90% for the next 30 days. To stay safe, you must use the content protection tool in your dashboard to claim your original footage. So, in 2026, the algorithm rewards the source, not the sharer. Be the source or get left behind. Big news for the bank account. Facebook has originally scrapped the individual bonus buckets for UK creators. Starting this month, your reels, your long form videos, and even your text only posts are being merged into one single content monetization payout. So this is massive because you no longer have to hit separate 100 minimums for each tool to get paid. Every single qualified view across your entire page now flows into one balance, making it much easier to hit your payout threshold every single month. If you aren't posting photos and text updates alongside your reels, you're leaving pounds on the table. Check your monetization tab. If it says content monetization, you're already in. Now, what are you waiting for? Go and diversify your content. If you're still making 7-second reels to try and trick the algorithm, you need to stop right now. Meta's March 2026 update has officially shifted towards lingering time. The algorithm is now prioritizing reels that are between 90 and 120 seconds long. They want retention, not just plays. Short, loopy videos are being flagged as low value and are getting their reach restricted. In the UK, the highest paid creators right now are the ones telling a story that keeps people watching for at least 1 minute. The longer they stay, the more qualified their views become, and the higher your earning rate goes. So give them a reason to stay until the end, and Facebook will give you the reach you deserve. If you're already an Amazon influencer, listen up, because Meta just dropped the biggest monetization update of 2026. We are moving past just ad revenue and diving into the brand new Facebook affiliate marketplace. This is where you take your page from just getting views to actually generating serious daily commissions. Instead of waiting for individual brand deals, you now have a self-service dashboard right in your professional tools. Go to monetization, then affiliate partnerships. You'll see thousands of products from retailers like Amazon and eBay that you can browse and tag them instantly. You don't need a middleman anymore. You just pick the gear that fits your niche and get to work. Here's the 0 to paid secret when you upload your reel. You're going to use the new product tagging feature. This puts a small shopping bag icon directly on the screen. It should be about here. Now, when your followers see your video, they can buy the product without ever leaving the app. You're earning a commission on the sale and you're still collecting your payout from the unified monetization system for the views. It's a total double dip. Now, because this is affiliate play, you must use the paid partnership label, but the new 2026 rules means you don't need to tag a specific business partner for every single post. Facebook handles the tracking and the payouts. Check your dashboard, see if you have the affiliates tab, and let's start scaling. I'll see you in the next update. My name's lathonmb, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and a comment. And some of my other videos should be popping up around now, so don't forget to give them a watch. And you know what I always say, I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!